Every second Friday of October, the world comes together to celebrate one of nature's most versatile and nutritious gifts, the egg. World Egg Day is a global celebration that unites communities, promotes health, and highlights the incredible power of the egg. As a leader in animal feed additives, Communique is proud to champion this day. Our commitment to promoting the nutritional value and versatility of animal protein products is at the heart of everything we do. And World Egg Day is one of our flagship corporate social investment initiatives. In 2022, we brought the magic of World Egg Day to 3 early childhood development centers in Diepsloot and Cosmo City. Partnering with Hlanganani, a non-profit organization dedicated to community upliftment, we hosted interactive workshops that included puppet shows, cooking demonstrations, and even arts and crafts sessions with eggshells. These activities weren't just fun, they were educational. We taught children and their families about the affordability, practicality, and immense nutritional benefits of eggs. To ensure our message reached even more families, we shared infographics via WhatsApp, highlighting how eggs can combat nutrient deficiencies, especially for children and pregnant women. But why are we so passionate about eggs? Well, the science speaks for itself. Eggs are packed with essential proteins, vitamins, minerals, and choline. A groundbreaking study in Ecuador found that giving infants 1 medium-sized egg per day for 6 months reduced stunting by 47%. And underweight prevalence by 74%. And it's not just physical growth. Eggs are rich in choline, which is crucial for brain development. For infants 7 to 12 months old, just 1 large egg provides 98% of their daily choline needs. That's brain food right there.